Hello and good afternoon everybody. Myself Shambhavi Mishra from BBA second semester. Today I am here to tell you about cost accounting. Before we start, let us just understand about the basic. First, we will discuss about cost. Cost is a monetary value of expenditure incurred by a business to produce goods and services. Next is accounting. Accounting is a process of keeping financial records of various transactions. Now let us talk about cost accounting. It is a process for business to track, record and analyze the cost to produce goods and services. It helps businesses to set price, cost control spending and make better financial decisions. Now let us discuss about different type of cost involved in cost accounting. First we have direct cost which is directly related with the production like raw material cost. Next we have indirect cost which is indirectly related with the production like electricity bill. Third we had fixed cost which remains constant and does not change with the production level like salary, rent, etc. Fourth we had variable cost which varies with proportion with the production level like wages of labor. And last we have semi-variable cost which contain both component of fixed and variable cost. Now let us talk about material. It is a physical substance which is used in production. It is the most important direct cost which is used in the production. Without material, production process cannot take place. Businesses use different steps to control material. First one is purchasing and receiving of material, then storing of material, then issue control, waste control while processing, and last is inventory turnover ratio. These steps help businesses to reduce wastage and increase the productivity of the business. To make efficient purchasing, business use a method called EOQ. EOQ stands for Economic Order Quantity. EOQ determines the optimal order quantity to reduce costs. The EOQ helps businesses to minimize costs and maintain the balance between both ordering and carrying costs. In simple terms, we can say that EOQ helps business to decide how much to order and when to order. In material control, maintaining inventory is very important. So businesses use different stock level. First is maximum level. The highest quality of material should be available in the stock. Second is minimum level. The minimum quantity of material must be available in the stock all the time. And third is the order level, point at which we should place a new order. The last is danger level. It is a critical level that indicates the urgent use of replenishment. Thank you.